Hello, everyone. And today we are going to see these topics. We'll do all the things practically, and we will talk about Windows related functions. That means how to minimize, maximize window through Selenium code. What are the other options available to work with the browser or the window? We'll talk again about the locators, ID, XPath, CSS, link text through examples only. We will talk about when you are converting your manual test case to automated script, how you should, do these things properly, what you should keep in mind, how to go with the, test flow, and we will do radio box checkbox selection through Selenium code. We'll talk about getting the attribute of the element. We will talk about find elements method, right? That will give you list of web elements and how to use it, when to use those things. Okay. Quick thing is last time what we did is we have created this particular um, test flow where we said, hey, we will open the Firefox browser, then we will open this particular website. So get function will open a particular website which you will provide. Then don't worry about this. The test flow was simple, like going to a particular uh, okay, what was the test flow? Let me go back here. So the test flow was this test.techlib.in, going to the login and then putting some wrong user ID and password. Okay. So when you do that, uh, some invalid user ID and password, it gives you this message. So that part, something related to this, we have already done. Let's do it quickly again. You guys should open your Eclipse, create a Java project. I think you already have done it. Link the Selenium libraries to your project, add those libraries and start a program. So I'm doing the same thing. So I'm going here, new, I'm creating new class now. Because I want to show you Windows related options, I'm giving the name as Windows demo only. I'll finish this and let's write the code now here. So here, let's create public static void main string RRR. So then here you can start and close out the main function. Spelling mistake here, it should be string here. Fine. Here you can write your Selenium code now. Okay. So Selenium code will start always. The basic point is starting with WebDriver. WebDriver dr is equals to new Firefox driver if I'm working with the Firefox browser. This will open browser. Okay. My next step is I want to open a particular website, right? So the function is dr.get. And here I'll provide the website name. You can give anything. Don't do on this. Basically, you can open any website. Okay, as of now. Fine. So what it will do? So once I'll do that, let's run this just to check whether it is opening website or not. So let's right click and say run as Java application. So this will open up a Firefox browser and it will open that website also. I am not doing anything uh, and it has opened, yes, and it has opened this website. This is done by the code only. Fine. So as per today's agenda, what we want to do, we want to learn about Windows related functions. So let's do that. So here I will say driver dot manage. So all the window related function are here. Driver dot manage dot window, and then there are functions. Okay. Now when I say dot, it shows me a lot of things. So there is what full screen, but basically the function to minimize or maximize is this. So I want to maximize the window. So this is the function to maximize the window. Okay. So let's put thread dot sleep so that you will be able to see that it is actually maximized, and then minimize. We will minimize also after this. So let's do minimize also. Driver dot manage dot window dot minimize. Okay, so this will minimize. Okay, what else we want to do? Let's check again. Driver dot manage dot window dot. What are the other functions generally we use? Get size. So get size will give you dimensions. Okay, so let's try that, what it will give, and why not? Let's print this. Generally, we don't use it, but we should know what this get size will give us. Okay, we'll check that part also. And then driver dot manage dot window dot notify, no, set position. You can set the target, you can set the size also. This is basically when you want to say, hey, my window size should be this pixel to this pixel, right? That kind of thing. We'll check the official website of Selenium documentation also, that what they are saying about setting the size. That's it. Okay, so let's learn one more thing is, whenever you want to see the official documentation, you can see that, um, just Google about this. So I'll say Google Selenium Windows set size. Set size. Okay, let's see. So official documentation, if you're getting, it will be better. This one, see here, this one. So see here, they have provided everything about what full screen will do, what get position will do, what set size. I believe set size. Yeah, here. So if you click here, probably you will get example also. I believe there should be some example. So set size, there you have to provide the dimensions, okay, about your window positions. So that you have to give if you want to use. No, they have not given the example here, but it happens. It's like setting up the. So let's see. Let's Google. But this is the document. This is the official documentation, guys. You should bookmark this. Sometimes it is very handy to understand about different options. And let's go back. And what I was saying, yeah, somebody has written a blog about it. It's good to see this. Set size. So if you want to use this, yes, you can first create the dimension 500 by 600 pixel I want to set, and then send that dimension to set size. It's like this. Once you create the dimension, then you say, hey, I want to set the size. So after that, you will write driver dot manage dot window dot set size, and then provide that dimension there. Okay, that is what I'm able to understand from this point, that you can do that thing. Okay, let's try this, the same thing. First, let's try till this point. We'll try the set size at the end. I'm doing a commenting the last line. Okay, till this point, it's fine. Let's see what is happening. So I will simply close this as of now, and let's run this. run as Java application, and we will observe what is happening. Yeah, it was happening. It does a minimize automatically. I didn't do it actually. So basically, you are not able to see what happened, but I will again maximize, then you will be able to see what has happened. But in the command prompt, what has come, that will be interesting to see that what has happened in the command prompt. Okay. So let me see my console output. Yes, see here, it is showing me some dimension. When I said get me the size, it is showing me this. Okay. So that is happening because of line number 17 here. Let's minimize it and again maximize it. Okay. So things will be clear what is happening. Okay, after this, I want to maximize, and after that, I want to get the size of the window. Okay, then I want to, that's it. That's it. Let's run this again. Let me close the old browser, this one, and now I'm running it again. Run as Java application, and we will observe what is happening. It has opened this. After 4 seconds, it will uh, minimize it. Okay, it has done it basically. Yeah, minimize. After 4 seconds, it will maximize. I am not doing anything. It is happening by its own. Yes, maximize. After 4 seconds, it will put the size of the window here in the output. Yes. So by default, my window size is 1382 by 736. I believe this is pixel. Let's set our own window size. So for that, you have to use dimension. So dimensions, I think it is dimension only, not dimensions. Let me see that blog. There, yeah, dimension they have used. So dimension of my window size is equals to new dimension. Okay. And there you have to provide the dimension. Let's say I want to put it by 400 by 500 as a size. Okay. Now I will say that my window size should be driver.manage.window dot set size and provide this my window size. Done. Okay, it's not working because set size says that the method set size um, is not applicable for the argument java.aw2. So this dimension is not Selenium's dimension. So that you have to sometimes keep in mind. Let's comment out this. So sometimes there are two classes which is there in different packages or the libraries, right? So I don't want to use this AWT dimension. We want to use which is provided by Selenium. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will again hover over it and it will show me. See, there are two options. One dimension is provided by java.awt. Maybe it is used for some other kind of structure. So I have to use this Selenium one. Now things will work, I believe. Now this. Let's run again and we will see, we will observe what is happening. Okay, it has opened the website. I am not doing anything now. It is happening through the code only. It's going to minimize. Yes. Now it's going to maximize. Yes. Now it will set the size. Hold on. It should set 400 by 500, which we have given. Yes. See here, it has set this. See here, the window is this now, which you are able to see. So yeah, based on my system's pixel composition, it's working. It may be in your system, it may look a bit bigger or lower, it may happen, right? Because my screen is, let's say, 14-inch laptop. It may be different, okay? But it will work. Fine. So uh, this is helpful when you want to do, you know, your testing, functional testing and all. When you want to see, hey, even my screen is squeezed, am I able to click on the element, or all these elements are visible or not, the login is present or not, all these options are present or not, right? So sometimes it is there are requirement that, hey, set the window size in a particular pixel and then check whether it is working, or in a particular dimension and check whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so somebody is asking, dimension is Selenium's method? Yes, that's what, see, let's understand very clearly. Whatever you write after driver, once you declare driver, once you declare driver, whatever you are writing after driver is Selenium's provided function. Now, that confusion about the dimension and all, here, it's that is different part. Dimension is there in AWT also. There are a lot of things. See, people are making their own libraries, their own classes. So, for example, when write list, there may be other providers also. One of the provider is java.util, but maybe there are other providers from Karate somewhere. In Java Swing, there is a list model. In Google, they have lists. So it's there are a lot of other classes or objects which can be provided by other vendor also. So we have to see what we want to use. This particular thing is provided by Selenium because we added openqa.selenium.dimension as an import. Okay. So that's it about what you do with the windows. Um, what else? Basically, one more thing. Every window has its own unique ID. Every window has your unique ID. Okay, that you will get it through driver dot get window handle. Okay, get window handle is a function. This is interview question also. Most of the times interviewer will ask you, what is get window handle? What it does? Every window has unique ID. Whenever you start the driver instance, that unique ID is allocated. So you can capture it in a string. My window, you can give any name. My window is equals to, and let's print this. So this will be basically a string, some kind of alphanumeric thing, uh, which will not make any sense. It will be very random, alphabetical or numerical thing. And there is another function, get window handles. We will talk about it when there will be multiple windows will open, right? As of now, I'm not able to show you because there is just one window on over one window only we are working. Maybe when you click on the blog, it may happen that a new tab will get open. So as of now, it's not happening, but I just wanted to show you my window handles. So once we will run this, let's see what will happen now. Done. So here, if you see here, it has printed this. This is my window handle, 3FB7530. For you, it will be different. Okay. So when you have started this driver is equals to new Firefox driver, one, what we say, um, website or, your browser is started, that will, one window handle will be assigned to that, and that will be unique. Okay. When you go to another page or the another tab, it will have its own window handle. Okay. That's it about the Windows part. Now we will talk about the locators.